Hi! Welcome to Rhyme Time!
Today we are going to be working with these letters behind Eliana. So if you can get the letters out, or if you don't have them, you can write them on a piece of paper and then cut them out.
Yeah.
Our letters are F, T, S, L, N, C, and then the word family today is app, which is AP. So first we're going to start off with doing the sounds of our letters. Then we'll sing our song and find the app words. We'll write them and make them, and we'll write a sentence with them. So let's start with our sounds with our letters. Here we go. Ready, Eliana, with your pointer? Okay, go back to the C. And K. Let's go to the A. A. Very good. Okay, at home we are going to be singing Clap Your Hands, and it's to the rhythm of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. E-I-E-I-O. So we're going to use that rhyme. The rhythm of that song. So here we go. Sing with us. We'll do it a couple of times and we'll be listening for that app. Yep. Here we go.
Clap your hands and stamp your feet. Hear that marching beat. Snap your fingers, tap your toes. Get up from your seat. Make your elbows flap. Give your palms a slap. Here a clap, there a flap. Everywhere a snap, snap. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Hear that marching beat.
This time we're going to sing it again. Eliana, can you bring the little finger down? Because sometimes you covered the word up, okay? This time we're going to be listening for that app.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Clap.
Clap your hands and stamp your feet. We're going to circle. Okay, circle it. Clap your hands and stamp your feet. Hear that marching beat. Snap your fingers, tap your toes. Get up from your seat. Make your elbows flap. There's the app. Give your palms a slap. Here a clap, there a flap. Everywhere a snap, snap. Clap your hands and tap your feet.
No, we already have that.
That's okay. She can still circle it.
Okay. Hear
That marching beat. Do you see any other app words, Anjuna, that you want to circle? Even if we have them, it's okay. Look for that app. Do you see it at home? There's one. Flap. Snap. I see a couple more. Let's look for that app. There it is. Clap. Clap. One more. Go all the way down. It says snap. Everywhere a snap, snap.
Ooh, one more.
Point to it, please. Help her out. There it is. There we go. Do these rhyme?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean by do they rhyme?
Like, do they have the last ending sound?
They have the same ending sound.
Just
so
not the first.
Yep, the first can be different. So let's read those words that we have. We have clap, snap, tap, flap, slap. Slow down. Clap, flap, snap, snap, clap, tap. Yeah, those all rhyme, don't they? They all sound the same.
Yeah.
Next, we're going to make those words. Okay, we're going to be making words with the app chunk. So right away at the, go ahead and get the AP together. Andrea, move over, please, so they can see you. and get the AP for app. We're going to start off really easy, and we're going to do the word cap. Bring one letter down to make cap. Andrina might wear a sun cap outside. Make the word cap and write it.
Beach.
Write it. Make the word and write it, please.
Or a cap of a water bottle.
Okay, let's hear you say that word, Gina. App. Try that again. App. If you came to that word, Andrina, in a book, because you know the app, right? Can you show me how you would break that word apart, maybe? What's a part that you know? Do you know app? Okay, can you move the app over? So if you came to this word in a book and you weren't sure, you would say, oh,
I would point my finger and say
app, cap.
and
Awesome.
bring them together.
Here we
Or
go.
bubblegum.
The next word I want you to make is sap. Sap.
That's sticky, right? It's sticky and it comes out of trees.
Comes out of trees. Let me hear you read that.
App.
App. Sap. You can just say app together.
App.
Sap.
Sap.
We have our beginning, our
Sap.
onset, and our rhyme at the end.
Yep.
Sap. Sap. And we wrote it down. Oh, your big S, that looks like a capital. Number 3.
I just didn't want to write it that tiny.
This time put an N as your beginning.
Nap.
What does that make?
Nap.
Nap. App.
When I
Nap.
was a baby, I took lots of
You
naps.
took a nap.
We
Write that
always
word
did,
down.
even in the morning.
Here we go. Number 4. We're going to start to get a little bit harder now. Oh, no, not this one. Tap. The woodpecker will tap on the tree. Tap. Drina, make the word. Tap. Drina, make the word. Let's go. Everyone at home, make that word and write it down. This is supposed to be fast. Let's hear it. Ready?
Tap.
No.
App.
App. Tap. The next word. Add one letter to tap to make trap. Trap. Trr. Like tree. Like tree. Trr. App. Let's hear you now, Drina. Trr. App. Put it together.
We have 2 chunks.
Put it together. We do. Put it together. Trap. Okay.
Trur and app. Trap.
All right, take the chur away and make the word clap. Go ahead, Drina. Clap. We had that in our song. Clap your hands and stamp your feet. Clap.
Hear that marching beat.
Let's hear our beginning of our word. Drina, ready? Cool. Let me hear you. Cool. App.
Clap.
Clap.
Now we have 2 more syllables.
Awesome. Snap. Make the word snap now.
Snap.
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 Good, let's hear it. Drina? Let's hear it. Sn. Try that again. Snap. Snap. Write that word down. Okay, our next word is slap. Change one letter in snap to make slap.
Hello, slurs.
Slap, yeah. I had to slap my hands. Ready?
Slap, slap.
Drina, let me hear you say that beginning. At home, say it with us. Slap. Slap. Change one letter in slap to make flap. The birds will flap their wings.
They were washing themselves in our pool.
On today, yeah.
Like,
Let's hear you say the beginning. Foo.
Full.
The rhyme. Foo. App. Put it together. Flap. We're going to do one more word. Change the letter F to make clap.
We already did clap.
Oh, did we? That's okay. We can do it again. Clap.
How about
Go ahead. It's okay to make it again.
can we make
Clap.
up our own word? How about rap?
That's a great word. Rap. Okay, go ahead. Rap.
Rap. No, rap.
Nope, that would be your ED ending. Ah, Tricky Ed got you there. It's supposed to be ED. Rap. Good.
Rap.
Okay, so everybody at home, we had these words that we made today with app, and of course you could probably make even more. There's many words with the app chunk, the app rhyme. So Andrina and everyone at home, we'd like us to write a sentence using the words with app in it. So you can use one
I
word.
want to use
or more than
lap.
one.
I want to
Okay.
use lap.
So what would you like to write, Andrina? Say that out loud. What's your sentence?
Babies can sit in mama's laps.
Okay, go ahead. A baby. And you can write the same one as us if you'd like to, or you can do your own. The whole point of this is to practice writing that app rhyme. Let me hear you. Let me hear you.
B. A. B. E. Her lap when she reads.
Awesome. Can you take a look at the end of your sentence?
Boop.
Awesome.
Bye! Hope you had fun at Rhyme Time today. Make sure to put a thumbs up on our channel. And have a fun rest of your day.